I arrived by metro at Ventas, one of Madrid's most iconic and controversial landmarks. The train pulls away, and the city immediately changes tone here. Inside the station, copper-toned murals depict bulls in motion. Before reaching the arena, the imagery sets the theme. Emerging above ground, the Plaza de Toros de Las Ventas appears in brick and ceramic detail. Built in the 1920s, its Moorish-inspired design reflects Madrid's layered architecture past. Outside the arena, statues frame opposite narratives. One shows a matador in triumph, bull behind him. Another honors fallen matadors, symbolizing the risk tied to this tradition. Banners announce upcoming events. Even without a corrida today, Las Ventas remains active as a museum, cultural site, and historical monument. Murals along the wall depict mounted matadors guiding bulls. Scenes rooted in Spain's rural past, when bullfighting symbolized land, livestock, and honor. From the rear stairways, the scale becomes clear. Las Ventas is the largest bullring in Spain and one of the largest in the world, seating over 23,000 spectators. Inside, the ceilings rise dramatically. Corridors are wide and ceremonial. These are the same halls once filled with crowds, anticipation, and ritual. Staircases lead upward, framed by blue and white ceramic tiles and horseshoe arches, a nod to Madrid's Moorish and Andalusian influences. Beyond bullfighting, this is a very versatile venue. It hosted legendary concerts by Beatles, AC/DC, and Prince, showing its adaptability as a major entertainment hub. As part of the self-guided tour, exhibits explain breeding practices and the life of fighting bulls, offering context beyond spectacle. A preserved bull named Lentisco stands here, giving visitors a sense of scale. Standing still, it still feels imposing. Then the arena opens up. Sands below, red barriers, tiered seating rising in a perfect circle. This is where tradition, controversy, and performance converge. Visitors can walk down to the lowest level, close to the wooden barriers designed for protection. From here, the arena feels massive and intimate at the same time. Seats are narrow, close together, and exposed. Watching from here would have been intense. Heat, dust, and emotion all part of the experience. This corridor leads to where matadors and bulls enter the arena. The path is ceremonial and final. Behind the scenes, you see preparation spaces and parking. Quieter, more functional. Areas meant for workers, animals, and logistics rather than spectacle. Soon, a staircase appears. At the ground level, the arena feels exposed. Walking the same tunnel used by matadors adds gravity. Few spaces preserve their original purpose this clearly. At the ground level, you can see the details very clearly. The sand, freshly prepared, carries decades of history beneath it. I sit briefly, imagining the view during the event. Tight quarters, minimal protection, a reminder that tradition often comes with risk for everyone involved. From here, escape routes and barriers reveal how safety was managed. Bullfighting was as much about survival as it was about performance. Compared to bull rings in Mexico and Venezuela, Las Ventas stands apart in scale and symbolism, a heart of Spain's bullfighting identity. Entrances marked with stars and crests hint at hierarchy and ceremony. Access here was never random. Everything followed ritual. Now we're making it down the last hall, the enfermería. Preserved bulls show just how large and powerful these animals were. Standing beside them shifts perspective from tradition to reality. Archival footage plays. Matadors, capes, and ritualized movement. Today, this tradition faces growing debate across Spain. Names then line the walls, remembered, honored, and preserved. History here isn't hidden, it's documented. Finally outside, horses prepare for upcoming events. Caretakers tend to them carefully. Another layer of tradition still very much alive. This has been fun and I hope you learned something new. Join me on the next episode coming out soon. Make sure you click subscribe and I'll see you next time.